I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have 2 sheets open. Now you start linking. First, confirm you have at least view access to the source file, because permissions gate the link. Next, copy the source spreadsheet ID from the URL. That ID tells Sheets where to pull data. Then decide the exact range or named range to import, for example Sheet 1, A1, C100. Once done, you're ready to paste a formula in the destination sheet to request the data and prompt the permission dialog. You'll now create the live link using import range. Type equals import range, source ID, Sheet 1, A1, C100, in the destination cell and press enter. Google Sheets will show a #ref error until you grant permission, so click Allow Access. That step authorizes the connection. Make sure the sheet name exactly matches, including spaces and punctuation, and prefer absolute ranges to prevent accidental shifts. If you need selective columns, combine with query or filter. Finish by wrapping import range in query or filter if you need sorted, joined, or conditional results. This keeps source data raw and destination focused. Once the formula works, make sure collaborators retain the necessary access, because removing permission breaks the link. If the import shows #ref or hash value, recheck the ID, range syntax, and that you clicked Allow Access. Often that solves it. If updates lag, edit the formula slightly or use a script/timestamp to force a refresh. That usually clears cached data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.